Alright guys, we're here today at 2004 West Bajada Road in Phoenix, Arizona. As you can see, we have the amazing looking home here right in front of us. You can see you're on a corner lot, so you get even more land. And you also get a nice RV gate over there to the side of the home. And then there's also, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but there's a really nice park one house down across the street from your home. So if you have kids or want to play catch, anything like that, you have a really nice location. You can easily see it from your home. There's some basketball hoops down there, a lot of great things to do. And then you'll come through your private little courtyard area up to the front door. And one other thing I want to point out before we step into the home is just the location of the home itself is amazing. So you're just a few minutes off of the I-17 freeway, just a few minutes off the 101 freeway. So you're super easy access to just about anywhere you want to go in the whole entire valley, which is super nice. What they say is location, location, location. And this home has a very, very good location. So this is what you're going to see once you take a step into the home. Off to your right, you're going to have kind of just like a front room. You can make this like a hangout area, put some TVs, a couch in here. So you can see you have this beautiful flooring in here. Really, really nice sized window, which you can see out of the front of the home. And then once we come back this way, you can go off to the left. We're actually going to save that for towards the end of the tour. But you can see you have a really nice size living area or like great room area. That middle blind does go up as well. It just lets so much light in that it kind of messed the camera up so you guys couldn't see as well. But just imagine like that whole entire back wall is open windows. You got a ton of windows over there in the kitchen as well. So just the amount of natural light that gets let into this home is fantastic. Let's take a look at it from over here. You can see this is a very, very nice size home. And then we'll step into the kitchen, which I love how they have the dark cabinetry, but they also have this really cool dark granite countertop as well. I think it looks amazing in here. And then of course you get a nice little pantry closet as well. And all of these appliances are going to stay with the unit, the microwave, the stove, the fridge. So you don't have to worry about replacing any of these items. Take a quick look from this way. And then over here you have your dining area with this really cool little chandelier. And then you can see this backyard is amazing. So we'll go ahead and take a quick step out into the back. You do have a nice little safety lock on it as well. If you have young children or anything like that, it gives you some peace of mind. And then you can see you have a massive pool out here with this huge brick area. So you can see, you could easily have, a barbecue out here, some friends, some family. You don't have to worry about walking through rock or anything like that because you have this nice, cool little path as well. And then you also get a really nice sized turf area. So if you have pets or anything like that, it can kind of give them like the grass feel without actually having to have any maintenance for it, which I would consider that a win-win. So you can see you have an amazing, really, really cool, really unique backyard as well. Close this door here. So we'll come back this way. So the front door is directly over there. So if you were to come this way, again, you get a nice size storage closet again. Which you can see, nice floor to ceiling shelving. And then right here, you're going to have your first guest bedroom. So you can see, of course, you get your fan, your light, really nice size window. And then, of course, also your closet, which is nice and hidden behind the door here. And then you also get this really nice carpet in here as well. So all the fresh paint, the fresh carpet in this home. It has a very, very fresh and bright and new feel to it. So over here, obviously you have your dual vanity in the guest bathroom. A nice shower tub combo. And I really love the dark finishes in here against the white wall and the white tub. It looks fantastic. And then continuing down the hall, we're going to have another guest bedroom, which this is just about a copy of the first. About the same size. Of course, your fan, your lights, your window, and your closet. And then again, you're going to have a third copy of the guest bedrooms. So again, closet. This one has an even larger closet in here as well. Of course, you get your ceiling fan, your light. So these are some very, very nice sized guest bedrooms to have. So we'll come all the way back this way. And we can come back to this part, which we saw directly off of the front door, which is right there. And you come this way, and you're going to have your washer and dryer / laundry room, which again, these units will stay as well. And then you're also going to have a really nice sized garage with this amazing coating of the floor as well. You can see it's a very nice garage in there, very nice and clean. And then one of my favorite parts of this home is this primary bedroom. So you can see the sheer size of it and just the amount of windows that you get in here. So we don't have any lights on in here. You can see how much natural light is coming into this room. And it's still early morning, so once the sun rises a little bit more, it's going to be even more natural light coming in here, which is fantastic. Take a quick look from this direction. And then you also step into your primary bathroom, which is amazing. So again, you're going to get some nice dual vanities, your private toilet room over here, and you get a separate shower and tub. Which I love. Again, they carry these dark finishes all throughout. And then over here you have your huge, very, very large primary closet. The camera doesn't exactly pick it up as well, but this closet it's a good walk from one end to the other. So, this home comes with all the square footage that you'll need. Of course, you get the high-end finishes, you get the pool, you get the turf area, you get the huge, huge backyard back here. So this is a fantastic home. If you guys have any questions, you want to come see it for yourself, you want to inquire about the unit, you can do that all directly through our website, which is rpmphoenixvalley.com. Thank you guys for touring with me.